Heard, really appreciate y'all being here. I believe that we almost about 300 subscribers in the Herd. That's crazy. I really appreciate that, man. You have no idea. But first, I just really want to quick give a shout out, man, to my cousin. I got 3 cousins up here who I'm about to give a shout out. All 3 of them passed away. All 3 of them were entertainers. Some of them you may know, some of them you may not. But this right here is my cousin Joe Bunn. He was a dancer overseas. He passed away of leukemia. He was a ballet dancer. He was incredible. Yeah, man. So I'm not really doing reaction to his video or nothing like that, but I just kind of wanted to give some light on, you know, just my cousin. I've been thinking about him in this channel right here. I feel like it's about to be popping. So I just want y'all to know who I am, kinda. You know what I'm saying? Not really, but kinda. You know what I'm saying? And I want you to know my family. And you know what I'm saying? Leave his beautiful face right there with the smile. Rest in peace. Shout out to my cousin Mia Amber Davis. She was in a popular movie in the 2000s called Road Trip. Make sure you go check it out. Go show support to my cousin if you support the channel. Go get the movie. Go watch it if you've never seen it. She passed away as well. You know what I'm saying? So rest in peace, man. Yeah, man, it's a very surreal experience, a surreal feeling when, you know what I'm saying, your cousins and family members are at this level, you know? And it's a very surreal experience when your cousin is actually your hero as well. You know what I'm saying? So not only is Chadwick, you know what I'm saying, my cousin. So I got this right here. I blocked out the name because I don't want it to. I just received a phone call from Kim. This is when Chadwick passed away. I just received a phone call from Kim, who spoke with cousin Anzie. Did y'all know, according to cousin Anzie, Aunt Lisa Jane, which is one of my aunts, and Chadwick's grandfather were actually first cousins. So that's the relationship that I have with brother Chad. You know what I'm saying? Rest in peace to cuz. And yeah, man, very crazy, very surreal experience to be, you know, the real life Killmonger. And Heard, what's up, man? That's who I am. So that's my yo, real life Killmonger, man. That's me, dog. I'm going by that alias too, real life. Let's get into Stray Kids though. Holla at your boy. I think this is called Thunderous, man. And Heard, thank you for all being here, bro. Rest in peace to my cousins, but let's get it. Let's go! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Talk to him! Woo! Oh! Y'all heard his foot stomp on the ground? Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Ah! Okay, let me back up a little bit. Right, yeah. Oh, hold on, let me see something. Ah. So many movements, so many arms. What's going on? Okay. That motion was crazy. Wow. Whoa, get low. Yo, bring that back. Whoa. Woo, what did you do? What did you do? Oh my God. And how they all went into it. How they all went into. Woo! In sync, y'all. Was y'all this in sync? Oh. Oh. What's up? So many moves, man. So many moves going on, man. There's so much going on. Wow. It's like everybody's participating to make this happen. It's crazy. Yeah. You would think that this is too many people or something. Let's go. Give me that bass line. Give me that groove. Woo. I like that little zombie move. Even the dudes in the background, when you think they can't be seen, is still giving it they all. But they're giving it they all in practice, but it's like they're not even trying that hard, dog. Whoa! You see how he hung on to it for just a little bit? Woo! Let's go ahead and finish this up. Yo, to be able to just do that without stuttering or nothing, man. Word, they take the breath after? Ain't heard, man. I really appreciate you, Stray Kids, man. I really appreciate everybody being here. We almost at 300 subscribers. Let's go ahead and just clap it up for everybody in the herd right now, man. I never even would have thought. I think this channel has only been up for like a month, man. Let me check YouTube real quick, man. Let me check the algorithm system, bro. Okay, we had 299 as of me making this video right now. 299. Who's going to be subscriber number 300, man? Who's going to be subscriber number 300, bro? Huh? Who's going to be subscriber number 300, man? Let me know, bro. Holla at your boy. I almost forgot to cut the thing off. Yo, ain't her, man. Let's go.